How to play Call of Duty Black Ops 6 Split Screen 2025 Easy Guide. Most people get this wrong, but playing Call of Duty Black Ops 6 Split Screen in 2025 is simpler than it seems. You won't believe how easy it is to set up two players on the same console. First, make sure your console is connected to a TV or monitor and that both controllers are synced. Launch Black Ops 6 and navigate to the Multiplayer or Zombies menu. Next, sign in a second profile on the console. Black Ops 6 requires each player to have a separate account or guest profile to enable split screen mode. Once the second controller is active, press the corresponding button to join. The game will automatically split the screen, allowing both players to choose their characters, loadouts and settings independently. Adjust screen layout if necessary. Some games allow horizontal or vertical splits depending on your preference. Test aiming sensitivity and volume for each player to ensure a comfortable experience. Finally, start the match. Both players can now play simultaneously on the same screen in multiplayer or co-op modes. Keep in mind that online split screen may have restrictions, such as limited matchmaking options or rank sharing. In conclusion, playing Call of Duty Black Ops 6 split screen involves syncing controllers, signing in a second profile, joining the game, adjusting settings and starting the match. With these steps, you can enjoy fast-paced action with friends on the same console.